Back to our YGS Academy. We are thrilled to have you back with us today. Get ready for more exciting content, learning, and inspiration. Please, in case you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button, like, and also hit the notification bell so you never miss an update with us. So, let's dive together into the world of knowledge as we invite Mr. Obo Ogute, our mathematics tutor.
Welcome to today's class. So, still at your tutor taking you still on quadratic equation. And this is looking at by factorization. We have here quadratic equation by factorization. Now, the way you attack quadratic equation by formula is different from the way you attack with using factorization. Look at, take this example. Take this example. Like we have 6x squared, 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now, look at this question. You are going to factorize. Simply, we have product and then we also have the sum. You multiply, that is, you have A and then you have C together. This will give you the product. And then your B will give you the sum. So you multiply the A and your C together. Whatever it gives you, then look for two numbers that when you multiply them, it will give you this. It will give you this answer. And then when you add them, that same two number, it will give you the 7x minus 7x. If you multiply them, it will give you 12x squared. Because multiplying 6 times 2, it will give you 12. So you look for two numbers that when you add them up, which is the sum rule, it will give you minus 7x. And then when you multiply them, it will give you 12x. So what are those two numbers? So you can think of two numbers that you multiply. You see that you have minus 4 and minus 3. So when you add minus 4 times minus 3, it will give you plus 12. When you multiply them, then when you add them together, minus 4 minus 3, it will give you minus 7. Good. If you can have two numbers that can give you this and this, you are good to go. So let's solve this question. We said 6x squared minus 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. How do you get it? You said 6x squared. Now, bring in this. You have minus 4 and minus 3. So I bring in my minus 3 first, minus 3x minus 4x. Remember, minus 3 minus 4 will give you this minus 7. So the both are x plus 2 is equals to 0. The next thing for you to do is you group them. 6x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 2 is equals to 0. The next steps you take is that you open this bracket. Look for the like terms in each of the bracket and then bring it out. Like in this bracket, we have 3x to be the like terms. In this you have 3x, in this you have 3x. So I bring out my 3x, and then what is remaining from here? 3 times what? That is 2x here minus 1. So 3 times 2x will give 3x times 2x will give us 6x squared. Then 3x times minus 1 will give us minus 3x. So here, also come down, look for the like terms. The like terms, you have minus 2 here. So which we keep have. Then minus 2. You keep your 2. Sorry, here you have your 2x. Thank you. 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, note this. Whatever you have in the right hand side is the same thing you have in your left hand side. So what you have here must be the same thing you have here. If you are calculating and then you have something here, know that the same thing you have in the bracket except your calculation is wrong. So you have minus 2 here times this to give you exactly this. So minus 4x. Then minus 2 times minus 1 will give you plus 2. Because 2 times 1 is 1. So minus give you plus. So now you have minus 3x minus 2 outside the bracket. You bring them together. 3x minus 2. You have is equals to 0. And we are splitting it now. And then we bring, since the two brackets are the same, you have 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Simple. Now, what we are looking for in a quadratic equation, we are looking for this unknown, which is the x. Now, how are you going to get this unknown? Just divide the both sides by the coefficient of the unknown. Here, by the coefficient of this unknown. So, this will cancel this. This one will cancel this. The 2 here will cancel this. So, what do you have? You have your x is equals to, that is what is meant in there. X equals to, okay, minus 2 divided by 3, or x is equals to minus 1 divided by 2. So, then, note this. Here, I allow it to be equals to 0. This to be equals to 0. Now, if I am to cross this to the opposite, to the left hand side, you see that it will erase this, because anytime a number crosses an equality sign, the sign change. So that is why we don't have it to be minus again, it becomes plus here. And here it crosses the equality sign, so you have plus. So to get more emphasis on this, I solve it with the next method in example 2. So let's take example 2. Second example, x squared plus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. So the very first thing for you to do is that look for two numbers that when you add them, it will give you plus 7. And then when you multiply them, it will give you plus 10. Remember, multiply your 10 times x squared. That will give you 10x squared to do your multiplication, which is your product. And then your sum is your 7. And so which two numbers that when you add them up will give you plus 7. Plus 7. And when you multiply they give you plus 10. You see that those two numbers are no number than 2 and 5. Plus 2 and then plus 5. So 2 plus 5 to give you 2 plus 5 will give you plus 7. Then 2 times 5 will give you 10. So having this, we are good to go. So we have that our x squared plus, now let's simplify this 2 and 5 into this to replace the 7. 2x plus 5x plus 10 is equals to 0. So we group them into 2. We have our x squared plus 2x into this plus 5x plus 10 into this, which is equal to 0. Now, what is common in this bracket is what we look at. You have your x is common. You have x where you have x here, you have x here. So you bring down your x. you have x plus 2 here. So x times x, you have your x squared. X times 2, you have your 2x. So here, what is common? Here, you see that it's plus 5 plus 5. So you have your x here. So 5 times x, you have your x squared plus 2, which is still equals to 0. So 5 times 2, you have your 10. So since you have this bracket to be the same, pick a bracket and then you have this outside. So we group n plus 5 and then x plus 2. Everything is equals to 0. Opening our bracket, we have x plus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. Bringing this to cross the quality sign, we have x is equals to minus 5 or x is equals to minus 2. Or, remember I've told you before that when any number crosses an equality sign, it will change to the negative. It will take another sign. If it's plus, it will take a negative sign. If it is minus, it takes the opposite sign. Or if you not really understand this, now look for a number that when you can use to eliminate this 5 so that you have your x here. So add the number to the both sides. Example, we have x plus 5. Now plus 5, which number can eliminate it? Is minus 5. Then add minus 5 to the both sides, which is minus 5 here. Or you have your x plus 2 here. Now which number can eliminate this? Is minus 2. You add your minus 2 to the both sides. So minus 5 plus 5 minus 5. You have cancelled this. 0 minus 5, you still have your minus 5 here. So you see that your x is equals to minus 5. Or x plus 2 cancel minus 2. So your x is equals to minus 2. Hope you get this. So let's check out a final example. Then you strike it on with other example from your textbooks. Example 3. This you have 3y squared minus 13y equals to 10. Now remember an equation must be equal to 0. But now you have an equation that is equal to 10. So you have to bring down this 10. Eliminate this one to become 0. So you either use the two methods I taught you in example number 2. You can either use elimination method by eliminating this. Look for two numbers that can eliminate this 10. Look for a number that can eliminate this 10. So that will be minus 10. So you place it in the both sides. So 3y squared minus 18y is equals to 10. So you add minus 10 here, minus 10 here to eliminate this 10. So minus 10 plus 10 minus 10, 10 multiplied to 0. So you have an equation this way too. 3x minus 18y minus 10 is equals to 0. So now you have successfully the equation is equals to 0. What do you need? You look for two numbers that can, now when you add them up, will give you minus 18. And then when you multiply them, to give you minus 30. Because 3 times minus 10 will give you minus 80. Those two numbers are 2 and minus 15. That is plus 2 and minus 15. Plus 2 minus 15 will give you minus 18. And then plus 2 times 15 will give you minus 80. So now, having these two numbers, we are good to go. So we substitute these two numbers in the place of y. So hope you are going to go. Let's continue. We have 3y squared minus. Now we put in these two numbers, so it now becomes plus 2y minus 15y minus 10. Everything equal to 0. So we have our 3y squared plus 2y. But let's add this, break it into the bracket. Good. So we'll group them into two as we group. So now look at the two, look at this number. Observe that very well. What is common inside this bracket? You will see that y is common. So you bring the y out. You have your 3y plus 2. Come to this side. What is common? Say that 5 is common here. So another problem is there. Is it minus 5 or plus 5? So if you use minus 5, what will be the outcome? Or if you use plus 5, check very well. So let's say minus 5 here. So you have 3y plus 2. Everything is equal to 0. Check out. Minus 5 times 3 will give you minus 15. So minus 5 times 2 will give you minus 10. So that is why we use. And remember, I've told you that whatever you have in this bracket, the same thing you have in this bracket. So the two brackets are always equal. So if you have this in this bracket, you should not be confused about what you have in the second bracket. So we group them. We have outside, we have y minus 5 in a group. And then here we have 3y plus 2. By taking the bracket, everything is equal to 0. Split them. Y minus 5 is equal to 0. Or 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Automatically, look for a number that will eliminate in this other side. Look for a number that will eliminate this 5. And then give you a y. So you will say that y is equal to plus 5. Because if you add 5, you add 5 to this, it tends to 0, and then you add 5 to this other side, you have your plus 5. So y is equal to 5 here. Or that 3y is equal to minus 2. You will add minus 2 here, you name this, and then you have minus 2 here. So divide by the coefficient of y. So this one cancels this. So your y will give you minus 2 over 3. So you can try other example from your textbook following this method. But it's very simple enough and it's detailed enough for you to understand. Thank you very much.
Thank you for sticking with us today, and I hope you enjoyed the class. The guy is good. In case you have any question, please don't hesitate to use the the comment section. Drop your question. We will be very glad to help you. Thank you.